Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter number 4 of class 3rd, and the title of this chapter is Sikkim. As you all know that Sikkim is one of the eight northern states, northeastern states of India. Students, this chapter is in dialogue forms. Here, teacher, students, Bodhi, and Ria. These are the main characters, and in this chapter, there is a conversation between these people. And Bodhi is a new student, and teacher introduces Bodhi to all the students. And Bodhi is from Sikkim. So I will explain this chapter in detail, but before explaining I would like to read this chapter, and please you also listen it carefully and do practice of reading. uh, do you know the names of all the states of India? Which are the eight northeastern states of India? Read on to find out more about one such state. When Ria reached her school in the morning, she found a new girl sitting on her seat. Ria smiled and sat next to her. Soon, the teacher entered and introduced the new girl to the class. Teacher: Good morning, students. I want to introduce you all to your new classmate Bodhi. Bodhi belongs to Sikkim, which is one of the most fascinating states of India. Situated in the eastern Himalayas, it spreads below Kanchenjunga, the third highest mountain in the world. Students: Hello Bodhi, welcome to our class. Bodhi: Thank you all. Teacher: Students, you all have read about some of the states in northeast India. Sikkim is one of them. It is one of the smallest states of India. Shaped in the form of a thumb, this state is landlocked. West Bengal, Bhutan, and Nepal are some of its neighbors. Gangtok is the capital and the largest town of Sikkim. The students listened carefully to the new information they had received. Raja: Miss, Sikkim must be a beautiful land. Teacher: Yes, Raja. In fact, the entire state is hilly and has plenty of forests with wonderful flowers and trees. The main river in the state, the Teesta, flows from north to south, and it is known as the lifeline of Sikkim. Misha: Miss, what about the animals? Teacher: Yes, Misha, Sikkim is also home to some rare animals and birds. The snow leopard, Himalayan black bear, red panda, musk deer, and blue sheep are some of the rare animals found there. Birds like vultures, eagles, the whistling thrush, bulbuls, pheasants, etc., can also be spotted in the forest. The bell rang for recess. Ria and Bodhi started having lunch together. Ria: Hey, what have you brought for lunch, Bodhi? Noodles. Wow, that's my favorite food. Bodhi: Please have it, Ria. What have you brought? Ria: It's aloo ka parantha, Bodhi. Please taste it. Hope you will find it delicious. The noodles are also very tasty. Bodhi: Thanks, Ria. The aloo ka parantha is very soft and delicious. I really miss my friends in Sikkim. We used to play in the recess and share our food. Our diet is mainly non vegetarian. Noodle based dishes like tukpa, chow mein, wontons, and faktu are common in Sikkim. I really love momos that are served with soup, and they are also one of the most popular dishes in Sikkim. And you know, Ria, we have Chang, which is a famous Sikkim drink. It is served in bamboo containers and with bamboo straws. Ria: That's very unique and so eco friendly. Bodhi: Yes, Ria. Even our houses are very simple. They are made from bamboo and lined with cow dung. In some places, higher on the mountains, the houses are made of wood. Ria: Bodhi, what is Sikkim famous for? Bodhi. Sikkim is famous for its beautiful arts and crafts, which include carpets and articles made from woven bamboo. You must have heard about Sikkim's famous masked dance. The people dress up in gaily colored costumes, masks, swords, and sparkling jewels. They dance to the sound of drums and the trumpeting of horns. Ria, I'm really getting curious about your state, Sikkim. It must be a good place to visit, Bodhi. It is indeed, Ria. Though Sikkim is a small state, but it attracts many tourists. People visit Sikkim not only to enjoy the view but also for mountaineering, trekking, river rafting, yak safari, mountain biking, and hang gliding. Ria, my father told me that Sikkim got its first airport recently. Bodhi, yes, Ria, it's called the Pakyong Airport. Now, many more people will be able to visit my beautiful state. Ria, wow, Bodhi, I'm wondering how exciting it would be to visit Sikkim. So, that's all for this chapter's reading. So, all the students, please read this once again, and in the next video, I'll explain the chapter. Thank you.